Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss the question code 15 JP110236. So what is given in this question, that there is an SHM and there is a force acting on it which is given by F is equal to minus mn square x. We can say, if we compare it to m omega square x, we can say that since n is equal to the angular frequency, so the omega and the angular frequency is same in this case, which is equal to n. Okay, what else is given? That the amplitude is 15 centimeter. And it is also given that when the particle is at root 3 by 2a, it receives a blow in the direction of motion. So suppose it is moving away from the origin, it receives an extra component of na in the direction of motion itself. So we can say that we have to find out now two things, that new amplitude if v is towards v is away from the origin, and the second point that if v is moving towards origin. So suppose if we find for the first case, if it is away from origin, if it's away from origin, there are many methods to solve this, but one of the method is this one. Like if we say that this is root 3 by 2a, we can say that the old particle velocity v old is must have been equal to root v a omega by 2 or a n by 2 in this case. V old must be equal to, if we have problem calculating it, we can use it this one a omega square a square minus x square, and put x is equal to root 3 by 2a. You will get it comes out to be omega a by 2, which is equal to n a by 2 in this case. Okay, so the old velocity is n a by 2, it gets an extra velocity of na. It gets an extra velocity of na. So we can say v new is equal to v old plus na. This comes out to be 3 na by 2. Now the total energy of the system must remain constant, and that should be equal to suppose if I write half k x square and half k x square plus half mv square is equal to half k a dash whole square, which is equal, a dash is the new amplitude. A dash is new amplitude. Okay. Now one thing we can write, that k is equal to mn square. Okay. X is equal to root 3 by 2a. X is equal to root 3 by 2a, and v is equal to 3 na by 2. Okay. K is equal to mn square. X is equal to root 3 by 2a, and v comes out to be 3 na by 2. If you solve this, if you put these values in this, okay, and you will find out that a dash comes out to be equal to root 3 a, and if our e is 15 centimeter, a dash comes out to be 15 root 3. Okay, you have to solve this equation, put the values respectively, and then you will get the answer. So the new amplitude becomes 15 root 3 if it is moving away from origin. Now in the second part there would be no change, because only the mean position would get shifted, else the amplitude would remain the same. So that would be the final answer.